video, I'm going to recreate this candle holder. It goes really good with the box candle holder from last week, and I'm loving the way they look together and just the way this one looks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I recreated that now. For this project, I'm going to be using 4 of these clear organizing containers. I'm going to take the wrap off of them and just use the lids. After I unwrap them, I just want to get an idea of how I'm going to put this together. So I'm just going to hold 4 of them into a square or rectangular shape. And I'm thinking this is going to work. Next, I'm just going to get my hot glue, and I do use Gorilla hot glue, and I'm just going to put a very small amount on each side, top and bottom, and connect them together and line them up the best that I can. I don't want to enclose this just yet because I want to glue these little gems that I've found, and these are called LED tealight candles. I'm gluing all the gems with Gorilla Hot Glue, and I'm just using a very small amount so that it doesn't show. And I'm going to glue these on all 4 of the lids. Now that I have the gems glued down to the lids, I'm gonna glue the final lid together just as I did before, putting a small amount of glue on the corners. To give this candle holder nice trim, I'm going to be using a thick picture frame. This is a 5x7, and it's the thickest one that I could find at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull those metal tabs out of the back of it. And thankfully, my husband was nice enough to help me with this part. So measuring it, we had to measure just a little bit longer, and it was 3 5/8 of an inch. And he went on ahead and marked them and cut them. So now I needed 4 pieces for the top and 4 pieces for the bottom to get all sides. So that took 2 picture frames. Before I start gluing the final pieces together, I'm just going to go ahead and check and make sure everything is intact and doing really good. So I'm just going to shake it, and it's looking like it's going to hold nice. The picture frame that I picked out, obviously you can pick out any frame that you choose if you decide to do this project. The back of it has like these little notches or grooves, and they kind of interlock together, and that's the reason my husband had to measure just a fuzz longer than the actual base of the candle holder. And now I'm just going to see how it's going to fit before I start gluing these pieces together. It fits perfect. So now I'm going to start gluing it, and I don't want the glue to show on the outside of the trim. So I'm just going to take the glue gun, my hot glue gun with Gorilla Hot Glue in it, and I'm going to glue these pieces where the notches are on the inside so you can't see the hot glue. Now that all my trim is glued together, then I need to make sure I secure it to the base. Then I'm just going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. I found that fits this dimension perfect is a coaster from the Dollar Tree, so I just painted one of them silver and I set it on the very top with a candle inside of a glass candle holder, and now this project is finished. That's it, and I hope you did enjoy this. You guys, I cannot tell you how much your feedback means to me. Really, really, really thank you so much. You guys are my inspiration. And so actually I have some wall decor and a joy box coming up very, very soon. So anyway, I'm gonna look forward to making that, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye.